Exploring unique weather conditions in Pakistan. 1. Pakistan experiences intense monsoons, crucial for agriculture, especially in Punjab and Sindh regions. 2. The Thar Desert showcases extreme temperatures, impacting lifestyle and requiring unique adaptations from residents. 3. Northern Pakistan features high-altitude climates, shaping culture and agriculture in the mountainous regions. 4. China's diverse climate includes dry deserts, influencing the diet and traditional practices of local communities. 5. The Tibetan Plateau's harsh weather creates challenges for inhabitants, fostering resilient cultural practices and innovations. Subscribe for more intriguing insights into weather and culture.